Hello everyone and welcome to English with Jay-Z. In this lesson we're going to learn how to use the expression used to. So let's get started. Used to is used in two ways. Number one, we use it with the base or the first form of a verb. And we also use it with the be or the get verb plus a gerund, which is the ing form of verb, and x as a noun. So let's delve into more details. First, let's discuss used to plus base or the first form of the verb. We use it for permanent situations that existed in the past. Okay? So, he used to be a Liverpool fan, but now he likes Chelsea. Or, Anna used to be a happy woman before her car accident. James used to be poor, but now he has 5 SUVs. So, in all these sentences, the verb used to be presents permanent situations in the past. We use it for past habits as well. For example, my brother used to sleepwalk when he was a kid, so it was a habit in the past. I used to wake up early in the morning, but now I can't because of my job. Martha used to drink coffee every morning, but now she prefers tea. The third use of this form is repeated actions that were in the past. For example, he used to arrive late at the start of the semester, but now he arrives at the class on time. He used to complete his assignments before anybody else could, but now he has become lazy. John used to go out with his friends every weekend. So all these were repeated actions in the past. Now let's talk about used to plus gerund. So we use be used to plus gerund for saying that someone has become accustomed or habituated to something. For example, I can't play soccer with my friends in the morning because I am not used to getting up early in the morning. Remember, getting up is the gerund form of the verb get up, and we have used the verb used to with it. M is the form of the be verb. Number 2, my best friend isn't used to writing long essays, which is why he scored a B in the last test. So he is not accustomed to writing long essays. Some of my friends are used to going on long hikes, but I never went with them. In all these sentences, the verb used to means to be accustomed to. Then let's talk about get used to plus a gerund. Get used to plus a gerund means to become accustomed with something. Be used to plus gerund means to be accustomed with something, and get used to plus gerund means to become accustomed with something. Remember this difference. After getting a job, Frank got used to getting up early in the morning. With time, you will get used to living in this noisy city. I got used to eating spicy foods at an early age. So this was a lesson on how to use the expression used to. Keep watching English with Jay-Z and like, share and subscribe to the channel.